Hey, it's Patrick. I wanted to make a quick video to thank everyone for subscribing to my expat animator channel. I noticed yesterday that the channel has reached 1,000 subscribers. This is totally awesome. I'm humbled, and I want to thank everybody for being here. I started this series to try and help others in their independent animation journey. Because when I was started on my own animation journey, over 20 years ago now, there weren't a lot of ways for me to get inspiration and motivation while working on my own projects. I mainly used books and DVDs to keep me motivated. By posting things I learned on my own animation journey, my hope is that others can get inspired to work on and finish their own projects. And that's exactly what's been happening. Just this week, animator Branick posted a new 12-minute short, Mighty Tim, which was mainly used creating rough Animator. I'll post a link to it in the description. You should definitely check it out. What people can do with a $7 animation software like Rough Animator is incredible. Along with some hard work and dedication, you can get your animation done too. I want to thank everyone who has left a thumbs up on one of my videos. And thank you for all the comments and questions. I enjoy reading them all, and I try my best to respond to everybody. I have a lot more video ideas for this channel brewing. It's just a matter of having the time to make them. If you don't know why I called this channel the Expat Animator, it's because I'm an expat living in Costa Rica. I received citizenship here a few years ago, and I've lived here full-time since 2010. My living here is a direct result of me following my dreams to become an animator. Maybe I will make a more in-depth video going into that story someday. But for now, I'll leave you with an animation I made recently using Rough Animator of a bird flying. Hopefully we can get this channel to fly even higher. Thank you again to everyone for being here. I have some fun videos I'm working on, and I look forward to sharing them with you soon. So until next time, keep on animating.